Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick and super helpful tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn a Figma file that's view-only, yes, those files where you can't usually make edits, into a design you can fully tweak and edit, even with the free version of Figma. If you've ever been sent a can view-only Figma file and felt stuck, by the end of this video, you'll know a simple workaround to copy and start editing those designs in your own workspace. Let's get straight into it. Alright, here's the scenario. Someone has shared a Figma file with you, but you notice at the top it only says can view. That means you can look all you want, but if you try to move an object, rename a frame, or adjust anything, nothing happens. Figma locks those permissions down. Pretty frustrating, right? Especially if you just want to use that design as a template, make your own changes, or even experiment with some color palettes. But hang tight, there's a straightforward way around this. The first step is to simply select the design elements you need from that view-only file. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse to highlight the parts you want or shift-clicking specific items. A quick tip here. If you only need a certain section, there's no need to grab everything. Just select what you actually want to work with to keep things tidy. Now, with your selection ready, right-click on the highlighted area. You'll see a menu pop up if you look closely. Near the top or middle will be classic options like copy, but this menu is a little treasure trove. You can select plain copy or hover over copy as to see even more choices like copy as PNG, copy as SVG, and so on. Most of the time, you'll just use the regular copy to get a faithful, editable version of the layers. If you copy as an image, you'll get a flat picture, which isn't editable, so be sure to use regular copy for this task. This might take a second, especially if you're copying several artboards or complex groups, but don't stress, it'll get there. Once the design is copied to your clipboard, it's time to move over to your own workspace. Open up any Figma file where you have edit access. This could be a blank file, a team project, or even start a brand new file if you want to keep things organized. With your new file open, just right-click anywhere on the canvas and hit Paste. Alternatively, you can simply use the shortcut Command plus V on Mac or Control plus V on Windows. You'll see the design elements magically appear right where you can start editing and rearranging them to fit your project. And that's pretty much it. You've just taken a view-only design and made it your own. From here, you can tweak text, recolor layers, resize artboards, or completely remix the layout however you want. It's a practical trick if you ever need to collaborate, learn from another designer's setup, or pull inspiration from public files without edit permissions. Remember, always respect copyright and only use designs you're allowed to work with, but for team templates, open source resources, or learning, this trick can be a game changer. So that's how you can copy view-only Figma designs and start editing, all with the free version, no extra hacks or plugins needed. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like below, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any snags, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.